In today's fast-paced world, the concept of side hustles has gained significant traction as a means to earn extra income. Managing money wisely is crucial, regardless of your primary income source. By being financially savvy, you can maximize your earnings and ensure that every dollar works for you. Side hustles offer a fantastic opportunity to supplement your income, with the potential to earn an additional $1,000 per month through various creative avenues. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering consulting services, the possibilities are endless. These ventures not only provide financial relief, but also allow you to explore your passions and develop new skills. As you embark on this journey, remember that every little bit counts, and the extra income can significantly impact your financial stability. If you find this topic intriguing and want to learn more about effective money management and side hustles, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By sharing this video with friends and family, you can help spread valuable financial insights that can empower others to take control of their finances. Together, we can build a community focused on financial growth and independence, so don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your financial literacy and explore new income streams. Celebrating financial achievements brings immense joy and a sense of fulfillment, especially when individuals reach significant milestones like becoming debt-free. Many inspiring stories highlight how hard work and determination can lead to financial freedom. For instance, consider the journey of someone who diligently paid off student loans or credit card debt, transforming their financial landscape. These stories serve as powerful reminders that with perseverance, anyone can achieve their financial goals. The importance of hard work cannot be overstated. It is often the driving force behind reaching these milestones. Each step taken towards financial stability, whether it's budgeting, saving, or investing, contributes to a larger picture of success. Moreover, the community aspect of sharing experiences on platforms like The Ramsey Show fosters a supportive environment where individuals can celebrate their victories together. Hearing others' stories not only inspires, but also creates a sense of belonging, as viewers realize they are not alone in their financial journeys. This shared experience encourages accountability and motivation, reinforcing the idea that financial success is attainable. So as you reflect on your own financial achievements, remember to celebrate them, no matter how small, and consider sharing your journey with others. Together, we can inspire and uplift one another on the path to financial wellness. Introducing the concept of creative side hustles opens up a world of possibilities for earning extra income. Unlike traditional part-time jobs, which often come with fixed hours and limited earning potential, creative side hustles allow individuals to leverage their unique skills and passions for higher earnings. Whether it's graphic design, writing, photography, or crafting, these ventures can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and financial goals. Many people express skepticism about the effectiveness of part-time jobs in truly boosting income, often finding that the time invested doesn't yield significant returns. This is where creative side hustles shine, as they can be more lucrative and fulfilling, allowing you to earn money while doing something you love. By exploring various options, such as starting an online store, offering freelance services, or teaching a skill, you can tap into your creativity and generate additional revenue streams. It's essential to consider the diverse opportunities available, as they can lead to not only financial benefits but also personal growth and satisfaction. So if you're looking to enhance your income and explore your creative side, take the plunge and consider the many options out there. Embrace the journey of discovering what works best for you and watch your earnings grow. Exploring effective side hustles can open doors to new income opportunities, and here are 7 unique options worth considering. First, officiating volleyball can be a rewarding side hustle, especially during the sports season. Officiating local games can earn you between $20 to $50 per match, depending on your experience and location, while allowing you to engage with the community. Second, teaching in prisons offers a chance to make a difference while earning extra income. Instructors can earn $30 to $100 per hour, depending on the subject matter, and it provides a unique opportunity to share knowledge and skills with those seeking rehabilitation. Third, freelance graphic design allows you to use your artistic talents to create logos, marketing materials, and more. Earnings can range from $25 to $150 per project, depending on complexity and client needs. Fourth, pet sitting or dog walking is perfect for animal lovers. with potential earnings of $15 to $30 per hour, offering flexibility and joy in caring for pets. Fifth, content creation on platforms like YouTube or TikTok can be lucrative, with earnings varying widely based on views and sponsorships. Sixth, handmade crafts on Etsy can yield profits of $10 to $100 per item, showcasing your creativity. Lastly, virtual tutoring allows you to teach subjects you excel in, with earnings of $20 to $60 per hour. Each of these side hustles not only provides financial benefits, but also allows you to express your creativity and passion. When it comes to selecting the top 3 side hustles based on personal preference, several factors come into play, including potential earnings and enjoyment. First on the list is freelance writing, which allows individuals to express their creativity while earning between $25 to $100 per article, depending on the niche and experience. This side hustle not only provides a flexible schedule, but also the satisfaction of sharing knowledge and stories with a broader audience. Next is graphic design, a fantastic option for those with an artistic flair. Designers can earn anywhere from $30 to $150 per project, depending on complexity and client needs. The joy of bringing ideas to life visually makes this side hustle particularly rewarding, as it combines creativity with the potential for substantial income. Lastly, online tutoring stands out as a fulfilling side hustle for those who enjoy teaching. With earnings ranging from $20 to $60 per hour, tutors can share their expertise in various subjects while making a positive impact on students' lives. As you consider these options, think about your own skills and interests. What are you passionate about? I invite you to share your favorite side hustles in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others to explore new opportunities and find joy in their own side hustles. Emphasizing the need for intentional money management is crucial, especially when it comes to earning extra income through side hustles. While generating additional money can be exciting, it becomes meaningless without a solid plan in place. Without effective management, those extra earnings can easily slip through your fingers, leaving you no better off than before. This is where the importance of creating a budget comes into play. By establishing a clear budget for your side hustle earnings, you can allocate funds towards savings, debt repayment, or even reinvesting in your hustle, ensuring that every dollar serves a purpose. To enhance your financial control, I encourage viewers to download budgeting apps that can simplify the process. These tools can help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and visualize your progress. Many apps offer features that allow you to categorize your spending, making it easier to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Ultimately, intentional money management is about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. By creating a budget for your side hustle earnings and utilizing budgeting apps, you can take charge of your finances and maximize the benefits of your hard work. Remember, it's not just about how much you earn, but how effectively you manage what you have. In summary, managing money wisely and exploring side hustles are essential steps toward achieving financial stability and independence. We've discussed how creative side hustles can provide significant extra income, but without a solid plan for managing that money, the benefits can easily be lost. By being intentional with your finances, you can maximize your earnings and ensure that every dollar contributes to your goals. If you found this information valuable, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, check out my next video, and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us reach more people and build a community focused on financial empowerment. Additionally, I invite you to explore our related content for further financial education. We have a wealth of resources available that delve deeper into budgeting, investing, and effective money management strategies. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your existing knowledge, there's something for everyone. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's continue this conversation in the comments. Share your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you may have. Together, we can achieve our financial goals.